All right, everyone, welcome. I hope you all can hear me. I wanted to do a quick update for you, and I wanted to share my notarized notice of dishonor with all of you guys. So I notarized this, I think, last week. I think I shared it with you before, but I'll just review it again. So on the date of July 28th, 2021, the bill and endorsement in Exhibit 1 with reference to my case number. So what I did is I took the endorsement and I attached it as Exhibit 1. And I call it the bill and endorsement because how I see it, after reading the Bill of Exchange Act, how I see it is a bill, right? It's a bill to the order, paid to the order of, right? That's why it's called an order, paid to the order of the payee, right? By me as the payor, or whatever the terminology was. So it is a bill, right? It's the same way that you go to McDonald's and they say you must pay to McDonald's a certain amount at this time, right? It's the same thing. So and maybe at some point we'll go through the Bill of Exchange Act, so everybody can see that this is in essence what they're doing, right? This is how they are operating this system, this system that they're operating, and it is what it is, right? That's just the system, so we just have to understand the system, right? So I attached the exhibit as Exhibit 1 with the reference to the bill, which is my case number, and so the notary read this to me, and so she said, on the 28th day of July 2021, the bill and endorsement in Exhibit 1 with reference FS 13 blah 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 was by me at the request of Lorenzo, the power of attorney, presented for acceptance to Lorenzo, the drawee, personally via video conferencing in the city of Quebec City, and I received for answer, I do not accept. The said bill and endorsement is therefore noted for non-acceptance. So what does this mean? Basically, in commerce, right? If McDonald's presents you a bill and you say, this bill isn't correct, I never agreed to pay this, I never received your service, I do not accept. So in the corporate world, in the world of corporations, they notice to each other, right? You can't just say it. And since, as one of the justices, quote unquote justices, told me, yes, for convenience, they do refer to me as a person. And as we know, according to the Canada Interpretations Act, a person includes a corporation, and that's all it includes is a corporation. So the court sees us as corporations, and therefore the way that corporations talk to each other is through fucking notices, right? These stupid notices. So what I did is, my corporation, which I'm acting as power of attorney for, sent a notice to the endorser, to the other party. So I sent a certified mail, and to the drawee, the drawer, right, the person who's taking money from me, and I sent them this notice of dishonor. So in a normal commercial world, right, if I send you a bill and I say, I order, Tim Hortons or McDonald's orders me to pay this bill, what you should do is, according to Bill of Exchange Act, is send them a notice of dishonor saying, I do not accept this bill. And that is what I did. Also, I put notice to agent as notice to principal. Again, we're in the commercial world, so the agent is the endorser, who is the person who signed the endorsement. And again, we'll go through the endorsement later So it's going to take a bit longer. But I sent it to him, and it's his responsibility to send it to the principal. And the principal, I believe, is the court. So yeah, we'll see. I mean, I believe I followed to the letter of their bullshit statutes. Sorry, I shouldn't say that. The Bill of Exchange is not a bullshit statute. The way it's being applied by the court, the family court, quote unquote family court, is bullshit. It's a fraud. It's not correct. But let's see. I mean, I'm following the federal statute, right? You guys issued an order to me. I sent a notice of dishonor for non-acceptance. So now leave me alone, right? Otherwise, if you're going to continue to order me to do things, then I'm going to have to fight it in different ways, because as we all know, or as we should know, slavery is wrong, right? Slavery is wrong. Indentured servitude is wrong. And if you're going to force me to do things against my will, that is indeed slavery. And I don't think that a provincial court has that power. So I'm going to keep fighting it until the end, until they leave me the fuck alone. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick discussion. I will hopefully get back to you guys when I have some time and some energy to read the full endorsement, because this stuff, I don't want this stuff to take time out of my life. It's been such a drain already, so I'm trying to not think about it, but I will get to it. Okay, so just be patient, and I hope you guys found this useful. Thank you to the new subscribers, and thank you everybody. If you have any comments, anything, let me know. Happy to hear them, and I appreciate your support. Cheers, everyone.